Hey everyone, Dr. Jamie. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Stevia Leaf today because this is my favorite way to sweeten anything. And if you buy the whole leaf, it can be pretty pricey and you might be getting stuff that's kind of old. I like to just buy a couple of stevia plants every year. I put them into a pot, let them grow, and as they get a little bigger, I can start to pull the leaves off, and all I do is take the leaves and toss them onto a plate and let them dry out, and then I throw them into a glass jar, and I have Stevia Leaf for the entire winter. I throw it in anything I want to sweeten, from smoothies to whipped cream. I'll just throw some into the cream, but be really careful because one time I didn't have my glasses on and I was adding Stevia Leaf, or what I thought was, and it was actually basil. And all of a sudden I'm looking at my cream going, why is it turning green? Well, it's basil, and that's why. Stevia Leaf, just throw it in a pot, grow it, throw it in a plate, let it dry out for a while, and then just throw it in a glass jar. So easy to do. Don't use any of the other processed sugars that they try and sell you on the market because it's all crap. This has the fiber in it, and that's what you need to help with the metabolism of the sugar. Perfect. All right, guys, see you next time. Let me know if this was helpful. Hit the like button.